What's up? We have our guests, Peanut Bubbler. I guess that's how you pronounce it. He said hi, peeps. Now we're gonna do mail time. Oh, yes. Yeah. 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 Yeah, this is like the best thing ever. Yeah. 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 I am laughing. Yeah. Yes. Yes. This is the best mail time on earth. Yes. Oh my gosh, I love this mail time. This mail time is like the best. He said I'm going for McDonald's for lunch. Oh yes. He's like funny, he cracks me up. This is my din just for flashing and all that. I did have I had 4 more green Geeko, and then I ate their chicken tenders. I had 4 more of those, and then I traded it for this glove. You can see because it's yummy in my tummy. Alright, I'm gonna end this, and that was the 4th mail time, I think. So peace.